Hello everyone, welcome to my Autocad tutorial. I will going to edit our frame structure so we can use some of the commands that I want you to learn. UCS, extrusion, the layer, copy and move commands. Let's start with the layer. When you make a new layer, type LA in command, enter. Then a layer dialog box will pop up. Now we have here says new layer, new layer frozen, delete layer and set current. So we're going to use new layer. We will take this one, then a new layer will going to populate the layer area. Now we will set this as layer edit 01. Then we will make again another layer. Then we will name this layer edit 02. So we have already two layers. We will assign color to our layer. Let us say this is green. And this one is cyan. Okay. So we will choose this letter edit 01, our first. So if you want this layer to current, just press Alt C. Now you would see that there is a check mark in the left side of our layer. So that means that is our current layer. What I want to do is to move these two columns as well as the footing 1 meter on a y-axis. Let's proceed. We will going into this icon WCS. We will draw a line. So we're going to match properties. Just type ME. Click the layer that you want to match the other one. There. Let's go back to our 3D. LA. Then we have also an option here like on, freeze, lock, change your layer, Alt C. That is our change, because we cannot turn off a layer when it is current. So this light symbol, turn it off. Then let's check our drawing. See, so it's easy for us to offset or move our column and foundation. Let's use our UCS. Our UCS could be moved to your desired position, so it's easy for you to work the move or offset process. Now, this UCS is world. Now, we're going to use object we transfer it here so we can offset it. So, type UCS, like object, OB, this one. This is our X, this is our Y, and click escape. So we have this UCS on one of the corner of our foundation. In this method, you can move the foundations, the column, and the beam with S, because this is your 0, 0. So if you move the object along Y, so you can have the Y of 1 meter, X of 0, and Z of 0. So we're going to move the column, foundations, and beams. Type M, that is for move. Rubber band all the members that you want to move. Then next, click your base point and your displacement. So 0x negative 1y and 0z. Click enter. So it is move 1 meter. This time, if you look into the left side, you would see that it is already moved 1 meter. So let's back to our 3D. Now we are going to utilize our created layer. Type LE. There. This time, highlight this layer edit to, Alt C to make it current, Alt 4 to close. Then let's go back to our 3D. It is very convenient for me to work with the 3D. So just create a line. So that is our layer edit 02. Excuse me. Match property. Click this one. Highlight the other items. Goes enter. The next time, let's go to LE. That is layer. Then we will go into 0, which is was the original layers for our space frame. Then this one, layer edit 01, we will going to highlight that one to take on this icon. Also ready to is take off. So there you go. Then go to view, click press pull icon, click a surface, that surface, enter, then type 1 because we offset that in 1 meter. So that is already connected. So click also the other. Just click one. Enter. Next, your slab. Remember your slab. There one. Pull toward the beams. Enter one. Enter. Your fourth floor. Click on the surface. Pull it toward the beam. One again. Toward the column. Enter one. So let's check it in our 2D. So as you see, your column, I mean your beam, this slab were already connected to your offsetted beams and column. Let's go back to 3D. So this one, we will going to take on the edit layer 02. Enter for LA and just take it on. Then just close this one. So that is how you are going to edit your space frame. The next item that we are also to do is how to slice. So let us do this. That we have a canopy. Back to LA. We are going also to change our layer. Alt C to make it a current. Then turn off your layer edit 01 as well as the 0. LA. We will create another layer. So layer edit 03. So just leave the color. It's the same. This time take it and highlight. So in our selection process, so that this beam will not be interfered during selecting our drawing, we're going to lock the icon LA. This one. Layer 2, it's lock. So that means that this object cannot be copied nor be edited. We're going to utilize this our UCS. So we have an incline. Let's see, the inclination of our canopy is 20 degrees. So you have to use this UCS command, UCS, then CX. X will be our reference, and our rotation would be 20 degrees. Put your rotation 20. So this time we use our layer edit 3. Type rectangle. CY is 0.3. X is 0.55. Save. Then we create a region. Click our object. So we have region 1 created. going to extrude there. So we extrude over here. Let's say that is 4 meters as our plan. Then the next item you would do is just copy this object. Well, I will call this element because this is our beam. Then this is your reference for your copy, and the column will be also your reference. Just place there in that right there. We're going to create a rectangle. Don't change your UCS towards here. So our slab would be 120. Our X is 5.3 and our Y is negative 0.15. So that will be our slab. So create region there, then type extrude, reach the object, then just point this to the end of our so we have already our canopy, that is 0.4 meters. We're going to slice our beam. Let us see, this beam is 0.55. We want this to have only 300. We have 120 slab, so draw a line for our bases. Then because this is 550, we have to offset 0.25. There. We're going to slice, but if you are going to slice an object, it should be planar. So just to make this planar, you have to use your UCS. Type the UCS in here, in this line, then your x-axis, then your y-axis should be in this plan. So type SL, select the object, it's 3 for 3 points, which is it is planar. 1, that was our base point. Second, and be sure that you are going to click the right point there, enter, keep both sides, enter, enter. So we have now sliced the object, that is a 3-point method. So we reach the bottom. So you see, we have already sliced our beam. Let's do the same. We will just make a copy of this object, this line, and we will going to paste it on the perpendicular face of the cantilever beam. We will going to use this icon orbit to rotate there. So our UCS is very useful at this point. Then slice, select object, use 3 points, so type 3, then this is our base point, this is our second point, and be sure to take the other point. Don't worry, it's planner. Enter. So our beam are being sliced. So we're going to erase the bottom. So that's it. Let's go to layers. Let's have all the layers on. Close that. Then let's go back to our layout. Let's see what happened to our layout. I think that is better. So there. So that's it. We have slice, rotate, UCS, move, extrude, as well as the use of our layers, how to add new, then how are you going to lock, how are you going to turn it off so it will not be shown on your drawing, so you can do it well. So hope you learn something. So see you next time around. So don't forget to subscribe, drop your comments, share, and hit that notification bell. Bye.